Imagine running an entire office with just one person and the right AI tools. In 2026, this is no longer a future prediction. It's already happening in real companies around the world. Many offices still waste hours on emails, reports, meetings, designs, and manual processes. AI doesn't replace people completely, but it reduces the need for large teams by handling repetitive and time-consuming work. Let's look at 7 AI tools that can replace or support a full office. Team 1. ChatGPT or Claude. These tools act like smart virtual assistants. They can write professional emails, prepare reports, summarize meetings, analyze data, even create standard operating procedures. Instead of hiring a junior assistant or analyst, many companies now rely on AI to handle daily communication and research tasks too. Notion? AI Notion? AI replaces a big part of project management and documentation work. It can turn rough notes into organized documents, create task lists, track progress, and maintain internal knowledge bases for startups and remote teams. This eliminates the need for separate documentation or planning roles. 3. Zapier works silently in the background, automating workflows between different apps. For example, when a new lead arrives, Zapier can update spreadsheets, send emails, and create tasks automatically. This replaces a lot of manual admin and operations work that usually requires dedicated staff for Canva. A Canva AI handles basic graphic design needs. It creates presentations, social media posts, banners, and marketing visuals in minutes. Small businesses no longer need a full-time designer for everyday design tasks. Canva AI gets the job done quickly. 5. Grammarly AI works like a professional editor. It improves grammar, tone, clarity, and professionalism in emails, reports, and documents. This tool replaces the need for constant proofreading and content review, especially in business communication. 6. Murf AI or ElevenLabs, these tools generate natural-sounding voiceovers from text. Companies use them for training videos, onboarding content, and explicable videos instead of hiring voice artists or trainers. Businesses can produce audio content instantly. 7. AI testing tools like Playwright AI testing tools automatically test websites and applications. They detect bugs, check performance, and run repeated tests without human effort. One QA professional using AI can now do the work of multiple manual testers. So, does this mean AI will replace people completely? No, but people who use AI will replace those who don't. In 2026, the most valuable employees are not those who work harder, but those who work smarter with AI. If you want to learn more AI tools that save time, reduce costs, and increase productivity, subscribe to the channel and stay ahead of the curve.